So the Vulcan's having trouble starting right now. That still turns on. All of that turns on. It's on neutral, so shouldn't be a problem with that. But oh, and now you start. Wow. Now you start. But earlier it was like starting up the I think it's a battery problem. So I might open her up and charge her with the battery charger I bought online. But if anyone knows what that problem could be, see if it'll turn on again. Yeah, there it is. Is that a battery issue? Because like the bike's turning on, this stuff's turning on, but it's having trouble starting.